Hello my friends, I want to do a short sweet video and let you know how to update something really quickly with molds. Have you ever heard of molds? Not mold like moldy stuff, but they are silicone molds that you use a product such as paper clay. You can use resin, but I prefer paper clay inside. Unmold, put it on your piece, let it dry, paint it, voila. So here we are using one of our Prima Redesign leaf molds and creative paper clay, which is by far the most superior paper clay out there. I love this stuff. We basically make a bunch of molds and then stick them on our surface. Look at how beautiful that leaf is. So we've spent about a half an hour, made a bunch of molds. Now I'm going to place them on this mirror that I've already painted. The customer came in. She liked the mirror, but she wanted a little more zhuzh. So I am going to add the molds. Now, like I said, I made them with paper clay, which I have available on my website. I put them in the mold with a little bit of cornstarch, dusted the mold, unmolded. Now I'm going to glue them on. I'm just using a wood glue because that's all I have in my workshop. You could probably use about any kind of white glue. And you basically just put them on while the clay is still wet. So think about kindergartner crafts, what we used to do when we were kids. We played, we did clay. Same thing, but this is adult crafting, and this is a gorgeous way to upcycle. Now, when you are using the paper clay mold flowers or leaves or whatever, when you unmold them, you can just start laying out your design. Like I said, I like to do about 25 to 50 molds. Yeah, I do that. And I just put a wet paper towel over them so that they stay moist. And then I put them on. And then as they dry, they form to the piece. If you were to let them dry, they'd be dry flat and they wouldn't work. So this mirror has a round curve. So I am just sticking it on, and you can press pretty hard to get it just to set. Now when it dries, it's permanent. It's not coming off. It is absolutely stunning, and it is a great thing to do is to layer your molds. So I do the big flowers, and then I add little flowers, and then I add the leaves. And the next thing you know, you've got this gorgeous looking piece of one of the kind art that nobody else has. Nobody else is going to have something that looks like this. This is one of a kind. You can paint this stuff, which I will do later. Now, I will apologize now. I didn't film the painting of the flowers. I'm sorry. But I really just wanted to show you how easy it is to add some paper clay into a mold, unmold it, and make something beautiful. I get asked all the time, how do you do that? This is how I do it. We just do a lot of different shapes of molds, and suddenly we have, like I said, a gorgeous piece of art. So just keep doing the same thing over and over. Mold, unmold, glue down. Don't be afraid to go on to the mirror. It's pretty. Don't be afraid to make it come off the piece. Layer your molds and just keep going with it. I'm going to go ahead and let you guys watch the rest of this. I've been a little under the weather, so I haven't done a video in a long time. So my voice is a little cracky. But I just wanted you to see how easy it is to transform something. And I used a variety of molds. And I do have molds on sale on my website on tonatransformations.com. I'll link them in the description for you so you can look them up yourself. You can also get them from other probably local retailers near you. You can also use epoxy resin on these if you want. Just don't be afraid to play with it. Don't be afraid. Okay, you guys, have fun. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions.